Hey guys, today let's learn how to convert a SIM onto an eSIM over on your iPhone devices. So basically, if you guys want to convert your SIM cards onto an electronic SIM over on your iOS devices, you could always do so. Of course, to do this, all we need to do is head on over on our settings right here. And I want you to proceed over here right when you see the option to basically edit your cellular data. I want you to click basically on cellular right there, and I want you to basically go ahead and choose which SIM that you want to convert onto an eSIM. Now, of course, this feature won't be available to everyone. This will be varied depending on the SIM carrier that you guys are using. So if you're using not really that the best, so you might not have this option. As for my case, I am not really using the best of the best and not really the most updated one, since I have been using this specific SIM for a couple of years now, which is not allowing me to convert my SIM onto an eSIM. Of course, that option should be located right here when you tap on the SIM card that you want to convert into an eSIM to. But of course, since my SIMs basically doesn't have that available right now, could not do much if you want to convert your SIM onto an eSIM. But of course, if you are using a new SIM card and it is the most updated one in terms of technology and features as well, you might have this feature, and good luck and basically congratulations to you guys. Since you do have this feature, it's going to be easy as just clicking onto the option where you just convert your SIM onto an eSIM and successfully convert your normal SIM onto an eSIM on iPhone. And that's all to this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.